Operation demonstration of disposable circular stapler for hemorrhoid. This video is to show the basic operation information for you about the disposable circular stapler for hemorrhoid, produced by Changzhou XNY Medical Stapler Company Limited. For more information, please refer to specifications in the pack. This operation was performed with a PPH operation outfit, produced by Changzhou XNY Medical Stapler Company Limited. The operation outfits consist of a 34mm circular stapler for hemorrhoid, a round dilator seat, an inner actuator, an opening dilator endoscope, and a suture threader. We suggest that during anal dilatation, the inner actuator shall be inserted firstly to dilate for 2 to 3 minutes in order to prevent damages to internal sphincter. The actuator is then removed and the inner actuator with dilator seat in place is inserted. This pushes the mucosal prolapse into the anal canal. Remove the inner actuator and fix at the perineum part with 3 to 4 stitches. Insert the opening dilator endoscope through the dilator seat to facilitate the circumferential purse string suturing of mucosa and submucosa. The opening dilator endoscope shall be pulled out after every suture and then rotated for a certain angle and inserted again until a complete circle of purse is made. Insert a finger into the anus. Tighten the purse line to check if the circumferential suture is uniform and has air leakage. The purse line shall keep horizontal on the annular surface and 4 cm above the dentate line. Insert the anvil assembly of the circular stapler for hemorrhoid and place it above the purse string suture position. Adopt the surgical knot method to fix the tissue to the anvil shaft. Connect the device with the anvil assembly and a clear sound indicates that the connection is finished. With the help of suture threader, the residual ends of the suture are pulled out from holes at both sides of the stapler and tie a knot. Use hands to hook it. Rotate the adjusting nut clockwise until the red safety is released automatically. At this moment, the red pointer in the window just enters into green safety area. Keep rotating the adjusting nut until the pointer arrives in the middle part of the green safety area. And then fire the instrument. After firing, squeeze the movable hand for 20 to 30 seconds and release. Rotate the adjusting nut counterclockwise for 2 circles and swing the stapler left and right. Slowly pull it out. Check the anastomosis site and manual stitches may be added if minor bleeding is found.